Chapter 7: The Business Model of Amazon. Let's start with an understanding of the major business activities of Amazon. Amazon's business falls into three major categories: e-commerce, where they are willing to sell anything; e-books, driven by the Kindle platform; and e-services, where Amazon Web Services, or AWS, provides business cloud services. Amazon has not generally been profitable for three reasons. The company has reinvested their profits to expand the services they offer. This includes their investments in disruptive technologies with a focus on putting the customer first. By postponing profits, Amazon has been able to expand their business by expanding warehousing capacity and building e-commerce operations around the globe. To support their global operations, Amazon created a cloud computing platform. This technology was so successful that they began offering access to their cloud computing platform to other companies. This service evolved into the Amazon Web Service, or AWS. Another successful portion of their business was the creation of the Kindle e-book readers. The Kindle business was not simply the creation of an electronic book. Kindle opened the door for mobile computing as a vehicle for media consumption. It also acted as a distribution channel for sales and advertising. Kindle users were loyal to the platform and rarely switched to other technologies. This was reinforced by the extensive library of available content. The Kindle platform was also one of the earlier data sources to track customer activity and preferences. The Amazon Web Services business has become a major cloud provider. They currently have 34% of the market. AWS has a 7-year lead over their competition with a more robust set of tools to support their cloud environment. The AWS platform, as a result, generates new competitive assets that further strengthen Amazon's position. Amazon is the emperor of e-commerce. They are successful due to their large selection of products, convenience and ease of use, lower prices, and positive customer experience. The result is a high degree of customer loyalty and a growing customer base. With this growth, more products can be offered from a variety of third-party sellers. Greater product selection, in turn, drives more customers to their site. This is the wheel of growth envisioned by Jeff Bezos. Here is Amazon's wheel of growth. Notice the synergy between sales, selection, and customer base. The resulting growth generates increased sales. In the end, increased volumes result in reduced costs and thus reduced prices. These reduced prices result in increased sales, driving the cycle again. Within the product fulfillment operations, Amazon minimizes inventory by making new products available for order within hours of arrival. Problems with incoming shipments are dealt with as they occur. Amazon began using traditional manual operations in their warehouses. Shelvers and pickers would scan items in and out of bays by hand. Amazon's fulfillment operations have since evolved with heavy investment in technology. In addition to traditional warehouse automation with conveyor belts and product stackers, Amazon has added a unique fleet of robots. These robots bring the shelves with the item to the worker. The worker scans new inventory into bays and items out to fulfill orders. Similar items are stored on dozens of different shelves to avoid mistakes when filling orders. Optimizing the fulfillment operations, these robots make a warehouse 50% more efficient by being able to hold 50% more product in a given footprint. It costs Amazon $46 million to set up an automated warehouse deploying these robot-run systems. Amazon boasts that they have a 99.9% on-time package delivery rate. To ensure that the right product is shipped to the customer, the fulfillment operation weighs every box before shipping it. The weight is compared to the expected weight of the product. This acts as a final checkpoint that nothing was forgotten or incorrect for the order. To review the financials of Amazon, let's start with the cash conversion cycle for the e-commerce business. We start by distributing products from the warehouse to the consumer. The result is that we may now collect payment for the delivered product. Money owed for products and services purchased on credit is added to our accounts payable, which is payable to the company. Liquidity problems can occur when organizations cannot easily convert assets to cash. How quickly can I transform product inventory to cash? Inventory turns is a standard metric used to count the number of times the inventory in the warehouse turns over during a specific period. Here we see the cash conversion cycle. Product inventory is shipped to the customer, which generates billing that turns into accounts receivable. Once the customer pays their bills, cash is generated, which is then used to purchase more product. Once an order is placed with the supplier, accounts payable are generated. Once the order is received, the supplier is paid from the cash and the new product is added to inventory. This new product is then sold to the customer and the cycle continues. The economics of the internet are all about scale and pricing power. By selling more goods, Amazon has incredible bargaining power with suppliers. Amazon can demand the lowest prices and the fastest delivery. In addition, Amazon can also expect longer payment terms. Amazon is an example of internet economics where the lack of physical storefronts reduces the capital investment in real estate and buildings. By centralizing product inventory, Amazon reduces overall inventory cost and increases productivity. Employee efficiency is greater since employees work at constant rates throughout the day. Amazon works hard to optimize the customer experience. The website includes one-click ordering where all relevant shipping and payment information is stored for future use. Next, customer reviews and recommendations are integrated into the website. Customer feedback is incorporated into product selection and management decisions. Bundles group related items that may be of interest to customers. This feature upsells products and can expand product value. Look and search inside the book lets you view, search, and browse books on Amazon. This process mimics how you might check out books at a traditional bookstore. Customers are more likely to purchase a book with this feature. Where's My Stuff lets customers track their order through delivery, while Super Saver shipping can encourage customers to buy more products when shipping costs are minimized. Customers are less likely to consider alternative sources when given all of these features. The overall result is top customer loyalty. Amazon has the highest rating per the University of Michigan's American Customer Service Index. Like many companies in the internet economy, the Amazon data asset has many benefits. First, the data is essential for operational excellence. Second, the data is key to planning for the future. One method of planning is through the use of A/B testing. Amazon collects data and compares performance between the two options studied, A and B. Another key technology is the use of cookies. Cookies are small lines of identifying text that are stored by your browser. These bits of data are used by a web server to provide content specific to your use. The effective use of the data collected can lead to collaborative filtering. By collecting the preferences of many users, Amazon can predict the choices of a given customer. This system monitors trends among customers and then uses the data to personalize each customer's experience on the site. Amazon's flexible business model allows sellers to warehouse and ship products themselves. Sellers can also use Amazon's warehouses. Amazon also takes advantage of a two-sided network effect. We've already discussed the definition of the network effect. Amazon has the ability to leverage an expanding network of sellers, providing an increasing variety of products to an ever-growing network of customers. As a result, the products offered by Amazon get more valuable as these two distinct categories of participants expand. One way that Amazon drives growth is through their affiliate program. Amazon rewards partners who bring in new business with a percentage of any resulting sale. Amazon's multi-threaded strategy is designed for growth. First, Amazon has a strategy to acquire other firms to drive the growth of new internal businesses. Amazon can broaden its product offerings and absorb potentially threatening competitors before they get too big. Amazon's profitability lets them experiment with new products and services, keeping the winners and dropping the others. The end result is the ability to integrate new value-added businesses and leading-edge technologies. Now we turn to the Kindle business. The Kindle is Amazon's top-selling product. In addition, the Kindle links users to the broad selection of digital books. When ordered, the Kindle arrives linked to the customer's Amazon account. The customer is ready to go. Amazon's market position allows it to undercut competition by offering the Kindle Fire at half the price of its competition. If you consider purchasing an online book, the Kindle versions are sold at or below cost. They are almost always the least expensive option. This combination of factors drives the Kindle's success. An added feature is that books published digitally enter the market far faster than physically printed books. Plus, a user can carry an entire library with them loaded onto a single, small digital device. Digital books can be very advantageous to the customer. Other market expansion includes attempts at TV, speakers, and phones. The Fire TV Stick allows streaming from Amazon's library. The Amazon Echo is a wireless speaker that you can talk to and acts like a digital assistant. Amazon is late to this market and is challenged to convince customers to leave iOS or Android. The results have been limited so far. With the breadth of products offered by Amazon, some channel conflict is expected to occur. Channel conflict occurs when a firm's potential partners see the firm as a threat or a direct competitor. They may offer competing products by way of alternate channels, or may work closely with competitors. Another concern was when publishers switched to agency pricing instead of wholesale pricing. Wholesale pricing exists when publishers are paid for the titles they offer, and then Amazon could sell the books at whatever price it wanted. On the other hand, agency pricing exists when the publisher sets the price, and Amazon simply gets a percentage of the selling price. Obviously, wholesale pricing would put Amazon in control of the value proposition. With consumer access to the cloud, Kindle content purchases may be stored in the cloud instead of on the device. With the increased availability of web access, storing content on the cloud is becoming a clear option. With this approach, the user can load their virtual bookshelf on demand anywhere they have internet access. A parallel cloud offering may be seen in the Amazon Cloud Drive. The Amazon Cloud Drive offers file storage similar to Dropbox and Google Drive. Amazon Cloud Player is a third offering that lets the user stream music purchases through a web browser or smartphone app. Internet access, along with available smartphone apps, make this capability possible. Finally, we return to AWS or Amazon Web Services. This cloud capability offers firms the opportunity to rent industrial-strength computing capacity on an as-needed basis. As noted, AWS is the market leader in this space. The goal was to monetize the firm's expertise in scalability and reliability. Clearly, Amazon has been able to leverage its talent and expand into additional markets. Please review the Amazon videos that are available on the Blackboard site. Each will give you insight into the business model, technology, and expanding market presence. Return here once you have viewed these videos. Considering the global impact of Amazon, can you imagine living without Amazon? What disruptive technologies might be on the horizon from Amazon? What disruptive technologies might hinder Amazon's growth in the future? That's the end of our discussion on Amazon. Clearly, we have only skimmed the surface of this distribution giant. Expand your understanding by reviewing other sources on Amazon. Next, we will consider the business impact of network effects.